Welcome. Today I'm going to guide you through the simple steps to enable Memories notifications on Snapchat, so you never miss those special moments you've saved. Whether it's a throwback snap or a reminder to check your saved stories, turning on these notifications helps keep your memories front and center. First, start by grabbing your phone and opening the Settings app. This is where all your app preferences live. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps or Applications, depending on your device. Tap on it to see a full list of all the apps installed on your phone. Now find Snapchat in that list and tap on it. This will take you to the Apps Settings page. Here, you'll find all the controls specific to Snapchat. Next, look for the Notifications option and tap on it. This brings you to the heart of notification settings for Snapchat. Instead of just toggling the main switch, you want to get a little more specific now. On this screen, there's a Notification Categories option or something similar. Tap on that to reveal the detailed notification options available for Snapchat. These categories allow you to turn on or off notifications for different types of alerts the app sends. Under the General category, you'll see an option labeled Memories. This is the key to getting notifications about your saved snaps, reminders, or updates related to your memories on Snapchat. Simply toggle the switch next to Memories to the On position. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Memories notifications on Snapchat. From now on, Snapchat will notify you of anything happening with your saved snaps, helping you stay connected with your favorite moments. Remember, these steps might look a little different depending on your phone's make and model, but the general process is the same. Just head into your phone's app settings, find Snapchat, and customize its notifications to your liking. Thanks for watching.